Alright, we have an HP computer here, a workstation. We'll do a quick unboxing and have a look on the inside. Standard keyboard and a mouse inside. Power cord. And some mini display to display. Adapters, are they both? Yeah, they're both display. And a mouse. Okay. Alright, beautiful. This will be used for CAD type of work. So in the front you have a Type-C, 4 USB, and that's if you got an option the card reader, you'll have a slot there. That's pretty much it. And on the other side, on board to display HDMI, so you can have two monitors. And we got an NVIDIA Quadro and a special seal sticker, shiny, and a headphone jack. Alright, let's have a look on the inside. Okay, so that's a T400 Quadro. There is a SSD slot right here, SSD 2. You can have SSD 3 in fact, but it's not populated. Four slots for DDR4. It's at the 1 terabyte plus an SSD which is in there. Okay, sorry. So this is another SSD here. They're all NVMe. And you got two PCI Express, one PCI, another PCI Express 16 slot. That's pretty much it. So you can put another 3.5 inch here if you like. You can have a DVD caddy, but there's no DVD in this drive. No DVD in this drive. Okay. Yeah. Cable tensions are too tight. Yeah, let's power it on and see what we got on this model. We'll use HDMI with the mini display to HDMI adapter. Okay, I think we're ready to go. So you can have licenses for Windows 11 or Windows 10. Let's see what this one has. Power buttons on. And on screen, what do we get? Will be the left screen. HP Wolf Security. Okay. Yeah, I'm guessing that's a Windows 10. Yeah, pretty much simple stuff. And I'll connect to a secondary screen so you can see it all happening. Have a look at the system specs quickly. And what kind of SSD is in here. Alright, nearly done. It does take unusually a long time. Okay. i7 12th gen, right. 16 gig RAM, and that's the 1 terabyte. What's MTF? Curious to know. J Micron, okay. Alright, J Micron and T400. What kind of RAM does it use? There was a command, cmd show brand model of RAM Windows. It won't work in PowerShell. Okay. Hynix. Okay, 1 slot, 16 gig. Okay. 4800. Okay. Alright, so it's all high quality components, and that's about it, I think. Let's see how quick it will install. Let's go to some essential software. So we'll install Chrome, Zoom, just VLC, TeamViewer, 7-zip. Okay. Okay, here we go. Wow, there we go. Yeah, it's probably doing some updates or driver installations in the background. Pretty much idle, waiting for our outdated internet. Okay. Alright, VLC coming in. Let's see how long it will take to install VLC. You should see the icon pop up there. Oh yeah, I'm downloading some things in the background here. Okay. Yeah, so it's a pretty damn quick system. Alright, that's all I'm going to demonstrate for this one. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.